Hey everyone, I just wanted to update you on the progress. We're getting so close to being finished. This week our floors are going to be done. So they're going to refinish them, pull up the old wood, some of the old wood, put in new wood. We have white oak hardwood floors. Really excited about. I can't wait to see them. I can't wait to see them installed. And then right now what we're doing is we are kind of just getting everything ready for flooring to start. So we have, these are the items that were declared lost from the insurance company because we had a fire. So we're just kind of moving these out of the way. We'll sort through them later and decide what to do. We also painted, everything's been painted. It's looking really good. We're getting so close. After the floors, the cabinets go in, and that's the latest. Hey everyone, I just wanted to update you on the latest of what's going on with the house. Last I spoke with you, they were going to do the floors. So the floors are done. They're beautiful. We found out we have white oak floors, original white oak floors. They're just, gorgeous. And we decided to go with the nutmeg color stain. Here, let me show it to you. It's just so pretty. Gorgeous. So all this in the dining room, all of this is brand new wood. We had to have it all new because the flooring people, it just couldn't be refinished anymore. And we had to redo all the floors. So over there is all new. And then the flooring people did such a great job. Let me show you. All of the kitchen here is new, and you can't even see where the old wood, it just blends so well together. They did such a great job. So that's the old wood, the original old wood that's about 75 years old. And here's the brand new wood. Over here's brand new wood. And then under this area, that is all original wood. And this is all brand new. So they did just such a great job blending it. Then over here we have original wood here. I'm just in love with this color of the stain. And then, it looks just so great. Upstairs, what they did over the weekend is they stained the railing. I like the color too. I went with nutmeg. It's just really pretty, gorgeous color, warm and soft. And I don't feel like it's trendy. I think it's gonna stand this test of time. They tried to convince me to paint the railing, and I'm so glad I didn't do that. I said, let's just stain it first, see how it looks. And if we don't like it, then we can paint it. But I'm just in love with it. I think it looks really great. And this is all new wood up here too. Looks gorgeous. So the reason why they were trying to advise me to stain the railing is because these are two different wood species. This is white oak, and then I don't remember what they said this was. So they said, even though if we use the same stain color, it might not look the same. But I wanted to give it a try, and I'm just so glad I decided to try it. And then, starting tomorrow, this is really exciting. Yes. We're going to have new... We're going to have new cabinets. Our cabinets are being installed. Here's our kitchen. We'll have cabinets here, cabinets here, cabinets here. And we're putting in an island. And then look at these. Hello. Look at these beautiful white oak beams, and our cabinets are gonna be white oak, and we're gonna stain the beams to be the same color as the cabinets. We decided we're going to, so the last thing that we're gonna be waiting on is, what's the last thing we're gonna be waiting on? Do you remember? Not the cabinets, the countertops. The countertops are gonna take, it's going to feel like forever. That's the last thing we're going to be waiting on. So we decided we're going Yeah, we're gonna move in, whether the countertops are done or not, we'll survive. So we started moving in our stuff from our Airbnb, and we're just getting ready. We're getting ready to move back in. All right, we're doing the corridor round this week, and we'll have our electrical done. And also, last time I updated you, we had a bunch of stuff, boxes in the dining room from all of our lost items from the fire. So what we did this past weekend is we went through all the boxes, sorted them to take inventory of what was lost so we could submit that to insurance to get money for that. So we sorted through those, and let me just show you. So those boxes, the rest, we didn't have enough time to get through all of it. We moved the rest of it upstairs. So I want to show you what we have left. So this is what we have left of our lost items. We don't have very much. So that's a good thing. We only have a few boxes left to go through. And yeah, so that's feeling good that we're making progress on that as well. And what we did to kind of sort through the boxes and just to make sure we get reimbursed for what was lost from our insurance, we went through each box and we took pictures of every single item in the box. Then we threw it away, you know, it was damaged, had soot all over it. And then what we're gonna do is we have to look up all the prices for each item online. Yay, can't wait to do that. That's gonna be super fun. So we're gonna do that. It's gonna be, it's just like a long, tedious process, but I mean, we wanna get the money for the items we lost. So anyway, it just feels good that we're just making progress on these things. And that's the latest. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.